there, it's Molly, and I'm hanging out at moodfabrics.com, working with Mood's Flying Birds printed cotton sateen, which comes in a couple of really lovely colors. This product is a soft, creamy hand. It features no stretch or give and is just slightly translucent in certain lightings. This product has a nice crisp drape, and I love this fabric. These birds just make me want to take flight. So I think it would be gorgeous as a DVF inspired wrap dress that hits around the knee and has gorgeous flutter sleeves.